Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to talk about the current situation for Bitcoin. Right here we can see sitting at $104,350 right now. We had a little bit of a pullback. Let's go over here to the 15-minute chart so we can see it a little bit more clearly. We went up to the 1,700 just today in the morning, actually in the night, and now we retraced down a little bit to 104,000. Now the question is, are we going to move to the upsides? For now, we can see here on the shorter time frame, we are building a little bit of a upward channel, which is quite nice. So we might follow this channel right here and move to the upside, or we might actually, it looks like we are forming a little bit of a bottom formation here. So we might go for like a cup and handle formation, a smaller cup and handle formation. We have strong resistance, as we can see here at this zone. This is a very important zone, and we have to break the $107,000 shortly before the previous all-time high at $1,900. So quite near to the all-time high right now. A lot of altcoins though are not even close to their all-time high, so the opportunity is very big on the altcoin market. So you need to make sure what you're gonna follow there and what are you gonna do with this information right now. Let's see. So we might see, let me quickly get over here the brush tool so we can see we might form here a nice cup and handle pattern, something like this, and then break out to the upside and go for a new all-time high, or we might consolidate sideways over the weekend, which is also quite likely. We also might still go a little bit down and touch the upward trend support here at $103,000 and then move to the upside. These are the likely scenarios. For me, I think this looks already quite nice. So the cup and handle pattern might be forming here and then break out to the upside. But let's see. Trump and BlackRock are buying crazy amounts of Bitcoin though. So that's why I'm not worried at all. Yesterday we had a Bitcoin inflow of 500 million, guys. So 500 million have been bought just by the ETFs yesterday. So there is no reason to worry. These guys, they are accumulating more and accumulating more. They just want to get your Bitcoin for cheap, so don't sell it to them. Now, let's take a closer look at Ethereum here, guys. Ethereum, $3,290, and we can also take a look at my Ethereum trade, which is right now minus $2,400. So still waiting for a breakout. We almost saw a breakout here, guys. If you remember, we talked about it in my previous video, but we didn't manage to stay above, unfortunately. So let's see what will happen to Ethereum very soon. The question is, we have to go above this resistance zone here at 3,300 now. So we have to go above the resistance here of this falling wedge pattern, guys. So this falling wedge pattern, usually what they do, they are building pressure, and then they explode to the upside with the price target here at $4,000. So let's see what will happen to Ethereum very soon. We can also go back and touch the base here of this falling wedge. This is also possible. Not so much though, because so much funds and ETFs are buying Ethereum right now. But everything is possible in crypto, you never know. That's why my liquidation price here, it's at 2,800, no, actually 2,592. That's why I'm not worried. I know my liquidation price is below the big support zone here, so I'm not worrying. Actually, I have to add a little bit more margin here, so we are 100% sure. Now the question is, what are the altcoins going to do? We can take a look at Doge, and we still have our trade here on Doge minus $3,600. I already realized 2,400 in profits already, so not so bad for now. These are just unrealized losses, so I'm still gonna hold this trade right now. We can see here we already realized over $8,000 just in the past 2 weeks, I think. So quite happy with the outcome. For now, the market is probably gonna move sideways. You can see also my Tao trade minus $2,000 now, already realized 1,000 though, so I'm not worried. And my sold trade here, 1,400 realized, another 1,400 unrealized gain. So I'm still in profits overall, just because of two trades here. I'm not worrying because I know Doge has huge potential, guys. Doge, as we can take a look here at the chart, we can see Doge just went yesterday above, uh, almost above 40 cents, guys. Just a couple of days ago, we went here above 40 cents when Elon Musk announced the Doge website. So we can see Doge can easily go parabolic again. So I'm definitely still very bullish on Doge. After that, I'm still very bullish on AI coins. You can find them here on VX. This is one of my favorite platforms where I like to trade, one of the best exchanges in my opinion. They have over 700 tokens that you can trade and a bunch of liquidity, a Bitcoin reserve, proof of funds, and many, many more. I also like the UI. It's very easy to use. You can just open longs, open shorts, check out the charts here. You can do technical analysis here, so you can do your analysis directly here on VX, which is quite nice as well. Now, with that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profit. See you all again next time. Bye bye.